Hello, 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 hello. Oh, my eyes look so tired. Sanbonan, guys. Halloween, Halloween, Halloween. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Oh, my goodness. What a day in cause. I've even got bags. Kosiami. Okay. Cela ningene ni-like, guys. Cela ningene ni-like. Ngenani ni-like our live. So that by the time isiqala, at least my likes are balance, and you understand? Mkhulu, what a day. Judge must stop that nonsense. Yo, it's a repetition, honestly. It's a repetition. Nothing is new. I don't know why people are getting excited. I don't know why people are getting excited. Ngali information. It's not new information. This information has been put on record. It's been cross-examined. It's nothing new. Why in Kalapansini were excited about the fact that Umuzi was in Joburg in 2014? On the 26th of October, where was he? Is there anything that puts him at the crime scene? I don't think so. Zozo, hello. Hello, your legend. Hi, Pindi. So happy to catch you live. Hi, Auntie CK. Hi, Hazel. What a boring day in court. Billy, tell me about it. Ignatia, hi. Dom 40, ngena ngevosho. Ngena ngevosho. Ngena nge-like. Ngena nge-like, guys, please. Babalwa, hi. Dom 40, I like. Thank you very much. It's Pamanda afternoon. Lindiwe, my angel ninjani. I'm good, thank you. Lerato, hello. Auntie CK, a whole brigadier spent the day reading other people's testimony. Like, are they serious? Repetition, they're just wasting time, guys. I'm guessing they want to push GININDA until recess at this point because there's no way. Why are we repeating cell phone evidence that took us 2 weeks? Cell phone evidence alone, banking records alone took us 2 weeks. So why are we repeating it? They want to take another 2 weeks with Ukinid. Honestly, they're just wasting time. Guys, please like the live. There's 77 people in the live and there's only 48 likes. If you don't know where to click, it's the 3 buttons on your top right on your phone. Click those buttons and the pop-up should come with like, and then you just like and then you're done. You only do it once and then I won't bother you for the rest of the video. Yogwazi azisajabulanga lezi lima uGININDA ungcwabe umuzi hayibo. Umngcwabe ngani, guys? Remember, guys, like a lot of people I'm seeing, everybody's just excited. Guys, you are excited for nonsense. Remember, this evidence is not new. It was led by Lomuntu Waga licensing department Utumuzi Waise Joburg sometime around 2014. It's been led by cell phone, not cell phone, bank statements that Usbanda took 2 weeks reading. The only thing is that now the state has deviated from proving its own case because they're unable to prove their own case. So they have deviated from that and they are now trying to discredit the defense's versions. And mengabe niyakhumbula kahle indaba yama-version ayisebenzi kahle because why? When the person comes to testify themselves, i-version esuke ibekwe i-lawyer is been trampled by i-version esuke ibekwe lowo muntu, understand? So the excitement yabantu angiyi-understand. Zozo, niyabona-ke angeke sibe simemeza ama-likes, please do. I don't believe, guys. Naikan. Hi, Noni.
You?
I'm good, thanks. How are you?
I'm all right, thank you.
I was just busy with Emma comment, Ila. Hey, Chipolo Polo fan, what a boring day in court. Hi, destroyers. Hey, boring, boring, boring. Awu masawubona mklama ama-likes phambili abantu emuva singacasulani, please. Ngisacasula uZandi noGININDA. Marupeng says, hey, Gwazi, it's been a while, sis. Hey, hey. Nicole says this is all crazy, Kwazi. Pamandla says it's crazy. Matax, hello, Kwazi, hello. Dorcas, Kwazi, Simamele, it repeats and it's so boring. That's true. Lerato, hi, Sister Noni, you are late. Lindy says, hey, Kwazi, safa nge-evidence yakdala. Ubongile K says, they were excited when the states read the cell phone records, and when Pinky came, we found out about Excel and editing. Let us see when the bank representative comes to tell us the truth.
That's
Noni, hello, my dear.
hi guys.
I guess, Colin, Noni, what do you make of today's proceedings?
I wanna beat someone up. I need a golf stick and beat Baloy on his eye there on that shiny head. I need a golf stick for Baloy. How dare he? How dare he? He's wasting time. So you wanna? In fact, at this point, do you remember we were not happy while Mgomezulu was sick? We were not happy with the situation as much as it was out of control. But at this point, yeah, he gave us a break because what is this? What is this, guys? Oh, this guy Usibanda went through all of this. Why are we repeating it? It's already on record, for crying out loud. Yo,
Also, Noni, you know, Gosiniskati, maybe our understanding of what the lead IO's role is when they come testify is maybe different. But isn't Gininda supposed to tell us what he gathered in order for us to be here? Not for him to go through everybody's testimony. Because yonke lento yena information that he investigated. So he should be able to say the reason why we arrested Umuzi is because of this. The information is this. Why is he going over evidence yabanye abantu again?
basijwayela kabi kwazi, basijwayela kabi because nami mna I thought uGininda uzofika ephethe ibhuku lakhe athi let's go to accused number 1. Nge-3rd kaMeyi he was arrested by my subordinates whatever ne, and then athi the reason behind that achaza ukuthi nge-date ethile ngahlangana ngafumana le ayibeyishilo kuqala, ngafumana i-call for uZungu or i-constable somewhere kuphi kuphi. This is the story he told me, and then I said bring your father, and then after 5 months I got his dead, and this is the story that they give. I did my investigation and this is what I found, blah 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 blah. And the reason we brought so and so and so, like for instance the bank statement and whatever else that they brought for Muzi, and then he will say for that information this is what I wanted to prove, and then he puts it on record in a summarized manner. Naku IQs number 2, 3, 4, and 5 up until we are done. Not lena izophela ngo-July next year.
The reason why I think they are doing it this way, Gininda, if he were to testify out of his own accord, uzolahla script. They are trying to buyisa Gininda and limit him to the script that the state wants us to believe. So that's why Ubaloyi is getting annoyed when Gininda tends to overshare information, because it will now remove him from this line where Ubaloyi wants him to go.
But Gininda is busy leading Ubaloyi himself, must say.
Exactly.
It's not working out.
As that, I want us to go to this. Aibo, Gininda, isn't Baloyi leading you?
I was like, who's the prosecutor between these two?
Aibo.
And then there was a time where Achi when Akwazi Umnisi wanted us. I think it's best if we start. I'm like,
Aibo. Uyanolidayo. Ulidubaloyi.
I was like, can't you ubani prosecutor la?
Uyena state prosecutor straight. Uyena state prosecutor. And then, Noni, I don't know if you picked up on this mistake with the numbers Zgazungu and the number that Gininda read.
Ayiphelelanga.
One, no, besides Ukapeleli, the number is completely different. Yabana, before the break, Gininda read Inambagazungu onto the record and says it's 076 9799 524. But when he refers to the call on the 1st of September in 2019 at 11:21, he says that the number that called is 076 998 512. And leyo number ayiphelelanga. And besides ukungapheleli kwayo, akusiyona le number kaZungu.
Lena, in fact, didn't he read the number kaZungu kwi-statement yafana nale buyibiza kuqala?
Exactly.
Ngoku zi-different.
Hayi mina ungididile hey. Yabona nje that part, I need the defense to catch a wake up when it comes to that, because the original number that he read onto the record was an 076 998 512 number that he said accused number one called. And also another thing that I'm finding surprising, are we sure that this number is number kaZungu or is it number kaGwabini?
Chances are kaGwabini for me.
That's what I thought, because remember with testimony kaZungu, uZungu says that I called him ngefoni kaGwabini, or we talked ngefoni kaGwabini, then he gave me his numbers. So this number le, I think uZungu put it on record as his own, but kaGwabini.
I think kaGwabini.
No, hi, this case is shame. It's never ending. Like the drama is never ending with this case.
Was there a time lapho sasikhulume ngoMpumalanga was like, umuzi neMpumalanga? Mna I thought I choose number 5 ekwakhe kwakhuluma ngoMpumalanga case, but uMpumalanga wendawo ese-KZN, and then iprovince ayingenye wayekuyo yi-Northern Cape neLimpopo. So intsha.
Hi, nami uMpumalanga ungididile, and the funny thing is, GININDA now is talking about towers, which is going to require an expert Yama Towers to come again and explain, because the tower yasempumalanga was never mentioned in evidence in chief by anyone. Pinky, when she led the evidence, it was that call Limpopo ne call Kimberley. It was Kimberley.
And
It was
this is
never
a phone
Limpopo.
Kelly Kumalo.
Yes,
and
it was Kimberley
ekhuluma
and
nabo
Limpopo.
Arthur Mofokeng nabanomunye noSenzo.
It was never Mpumalanga. That evidence was never led. Hi, bandla. Nani enye nje. Because really everything else is just a repetition, and I'm feeling like each state has failed to prove their case, and what they're trying to do now is trying to discredit ama versions a defense. That is basically what they're doing now. Ukuthi yonke version abake bayibeka defense fanele sithole something ezoba wrong, so that kube ngathi they're not credible or their story is not put together, because our story is not coming together. Because why are you leading?
Ithini case yakhe?
Hayi mina ngazi. Because why are you leading information yango 2015? How is it helping us? Ukuthi Muzi was in Joburg in 2015. How is it putting Muzi at the crime scene on the 26th of October when you're leading evidence yango September? Isiza ngani in the case? How is it proving your case beyond reasonable doubt? Uyayibona nje indaba yalento ayikho guys, unlike yes nigcwele la, but unlike there's 283 of you here and only 124 likes. Please can you like the live so that our video gets recommended to other users. Singifunde some of the comments. Ngigcinephi? Oh, Alma, ngibuyile zizamele i-head prefect yama-likes. Ayibo, tshela labantu ba-like, please zizamele. Uyabona ama-likes ayatekateka. Moriping says, hi Noni, good to see my girls on one screen. Mpho uthi bathi sihlangana lana kuNoni M with lies. Ba-right. Ulydia says,
Bayangazi, ndingabazi mina.
Ulydia says, even Rata looks so happy about the useless evidence. It is so useless. Mtutuzi says, Sanbona ladies. Hi, Mtutuzi. Malifu says, hey, Bo, dear, since when GININDA is cell phone expert? Nami, I'd love to know. Godfrey says, hi, Gwazi. I see people are excited about alleged 200 Rand withdrawal versus 108 that was supposedly paid. Go licensing center. Can you imagine? Guys, Umuzi doesn't dispute that he went to go write his license. That's one thing that you need to understand. Uyavuma ukuthi yes, why wayobhuka, where's it egoli wazobhuka. But now the question is, how long did he stay in Johannesburg before the booking, and how long did he stay in Johannesburg after the booking? I think that's where the main concern is. Yes, states yokuthi lo muntu lo didn't come right and go back to KZN as per version yama defense attorneys, because uRamusipili wathi he left when he lost his job in 2013 and returned in 2015, not taking into account Uti he may have come to Joburg every now and then during the year of 2014 or whatever the case might be. So that's what the state is pressing on at the moment.
And also, Kwazi, do you know what else is funny?
Mm.
They are dealing with a bank card that is different. Because this bank card about TB sends are these transactions in Joburg. Yeah, Standard Bank, right? And then ezinye bank card bezuzenza kuphi transactions
I'd love
kwanongoma.
to know. I'd love to know.
But ke ngoku, what's so weird for me is that so umuzi yena can't he leave a bank card ungumntu wamantombi, maybe une-baby mama pha, he left a bank card and then ehlele KZN with the wife with another bank card. Why benza i-mountain out of nothing? I'm like, nabo bayayenza le nto abantu, but like there's a lot of people to do that. Ushiye i-bank card lana uhambe nelinye, because this one people in the house can use. I did not understand. So
But even if the bank card was with him, Noni, even if the bank card was with him, that bank card doesn't put him at the Kumalo residence.
Still.
It does not.
And why are we talking about July nabo bani, whereas date one, it's the 26th.
Exactly.
Ayikakabi into yokhuluma nge-26th of October. Nix.
Nothing. There isn't a transaction. Whether you withdrawal, whether swipe, akazalisebenzise nje ikhadi ngomhla 26. That's the first thing. Akazalisebenzise ikhadi ngomhla 26 eFosloras. So how do you put him in Fosloras on that day? Noma ngabe kuthiwa wayekhona ngomhla ka-25, the day before, and there's a transaction yangomhla 25. On the 26th, how do you place him in Fosloras? And there's
like,
no
is
proof.
this the black excellence people are talking about when it comes to Baloyi? Yiyo le black excellence.
Uxoli uthi saze sayilalela mix masala, copy and paste. Tell me about it. Ulidia says waste of time Baloyi is very useless, shame. Umduduzi says he's supposed to, what I gathered is this. Naledi, exactly, Kwazi. Ntutuzelo says, yes, Kwazi, it's what Nisi was saying also. And le ufuna nje usdida. Alma says, Mrs. M. Walter Ndlovu and Itumeleng Mukwena wozani lapha sinifundise. Mduduzi says, let's like the live video, guys. Ignatia says, exactly. What really Ganinda investigated in this case? Lydia says he has no case, all useless. We are listening. uh he has no case, all useless. We are listening to Lindiwe says now he is busy rebutting Rams and Ngomezulu's version of events. Maroping says he can waste time as much as he likes. Facts of the matter is he can't run away from cross-examination. I seriously also think Baloyi is delaying purposely. Gininda is waiting on more evidence. Mkuseli says cross-examination will be next year, December 2026. Swanisa says States is trying to debunk defense version. That's true. Hi, beautiful ladies. I couldn't listen to today's proceedings. Aibo benglala, and I'm at work, but I have two beautiful minds, so angsele. Thank you so much. Sipo says, hey, Sana. Hi, Spo. Sorry, not Sipo. Spo says, I just arrived. Hi, Spo. Get comfortable. Lindy says, Gininda doesn't have evidence that puts accused at the spaza. That's true. Lerato says, what are we going with this? Or where are we going with this? Is Gininda going to answer on all this evidence of other people? Was he there when the info was obtained? Hey? Sizoke sizwe. Alma says umama kaSenzo ubathusile when she said badlala ngathi laba and that ngeke aphikisane noNeil kodwa abakaKhumalo bayalazi iqiniso. Spo says so happy to see Kwazi present. Hi Spo. Lindiwe says acronym MPU equals Mpumalanga kills me. MPU. Hey, madoda. Tabo says, ayaphuma manga we-state manje. Pindi says, Gininda is so used to overstepping that he's not even aware that he's crossing the line and it exposes him at the same time. That's true. Do you want to continue reading, Noni?
Umaruping, you would swear Gininda is doing his LLB practicals in that courtroom and has Maloy and Rata right where he wants them. Guys, don't you think Gininda is going to want to go to the NPA offices straight? He wants to be a
Hey,
prosecutor.
uyokwenza ejele lokho, uyobe boshiwe. Uyobe kwenza kuphi?
In his
Uyokwenza
head,
ejele.
that will never happen. It's you and me that think that way.
Ayo, kwalento ayifunda ufundela ukuyirepresenta mase boshiwe kwani.
Uthobeka Ngema, hi ladies, yokwazi kwadlalwa ngathi bonke no-SABC kusemaphareni nje. That's Almesh, Advocate Mshololo is watching this live on her way to the airport. I hope she has liked this live. What's a warudi? Hi Zandi, uthini komnye umntwana? Jehova wena ustoti. Egna, yes, Mpumalanga, I choose number 5, not 1. Hey, now I was like, hi Shem. Umalakia is nithuleleni mzansi nikwazile ukukhipha uzuma lana nithuleleni. Yo, afani amagazi abantu awafani. Almesh sold me first. Uchabalala, what formats are these documents in? Excel or PDF? Another evidence that will be rubbished. Asas, Ulerato Gininda must stop over elaborating and analyzing his own testimony. He must leave the interpretation of his testimony to the court. Umduduzi Queen Mshololo waphuma court and watched YouTube. Hayi bengingaphuma nami kodwa lanto ibisozelisa kwazi bisenzeka pha.
Yo, repetition, ngiyakubona nje konke. It's a repetition of stuff which is so annoying.
You, Godfrey, as Mshololo was watching YouTube in court phakathi. Uhanike, I liked. Utebucho, hi fam. Only the money coming out, not in. When was the money deposited and by whom and from where? Umkhuseli ngekungcono uba idefense inimamele ke izofumana ingcebiso. Okay, uDipuwe. Retail banking, it's what I heard. Cecil Brown, hi from Namibia. Hello, Namibia. Huiti, Uti, hello, ladies. Yo, I knocked the door with my like. Thank you. Ustolepi, Kwabini gave Zungu a number for Muzisibiya. Phew, with these people, you never know. Lerato, someone else can use your bank card in another province. I agree. Charlie, we need eyewitnesses, not witnesses. Nje. Uboingi, retail banking, it's giving this Makula shop vibes. No shop, right? Pick and Pay, Pep, Jet, etc. Oliver, kodwa my bear, kodwa ngizosala nobani uma uhamba, please change your mind. Ninendaba yazi. What is they have to call Kwabeni and Absalom Zungu because there is a lot of unanswered questions.
True.
I said in the morning, you know what? Sino Absalom Zungu. So he is Zungu the father, right? And then it's no Zungu Sizwe Skumbuzo. He is Zungu the son. Don't get surprised if we get a Zungu, the Holy Spirit.
The Holy Spirit.
It's on its way, that's it. It's on its way. Oh, Chabalala, not when Gininda wanted to read the tower information in relation to the bank transactions, and he remembered that they don't have tower information in relation to the tower. Ulina, hi ladies, did you guys see Baloi's face why this bank statement doesn't reflect the deposit and charges from the bank. Asazi. Kubongekile, hi ninjani nina, siyaphila, unjani wena, uTshepo, yo balo uyafoster shem. We still wanna hear how Senzo was killed. Now they busy with statements and withdrawals. Yo, we are tired of the state bible of lies. Your legend imali iyaphuma ingeni on that bank card. Endless cash. Untom futhi, like guys, how Olive, is withdrawal of money a crime in SA? Jesu. Usiphamandla, this bank statement was cooked. Omunye ubuzile ukuthi why Mr. Baltimore refused to give Sibiya his ID.
This is true, hey? And he even said it must be used only to apply. What if Zulu wants to go to the bank? What if Zulu wants to go to the bank? Because another thing engicabangile mina is that I know specifically with Standard Bank, because I work there, is that when you open your account, everything is scanned onto the system. Akufani no Capitec where they no longer scan, but they just take pictures. Standard Bank, everything is scanned. More scan, it applies the date. So wonke opening documents akho for the very first account that you ever opened in Standard Bank, you'll be able to pick it up. So I love to know ukuthi i-account yakaSibiya yavulwa nini njengoba iveza i-address yaseBasotho Hostel. When was that account opened? Because you'd be able to see that. Monga bank nje, Standard Bank specifically, they will have each and every detail. They even write ama-notes so ukuthi ngosuku oluso ngunokwazi with employee number bani. I helped Mr. Sibiya ezovula i-account uze ne-proof of address ukuthi ngayiskena kwi-system, and then iyaveza the scanned document, the scan ID and everything. But the dates will be there.
Do you know why I'm looking at you like that? I'm even thinking when you speak of proof of address. Uzoyithola kuphi proof of address ehostel?
It's gonna get interesting.
I-proof of address edingeka ebhanki. Nam I used to work at Nedbank, so ngiyayazi ukuthi i-proof of address very important.
Very important. Unless enencwadi yekhansela laseFosloras, because they take iy'ncwadi zamakhansela.
Yes, mara khona ukushaya amanzi.
But lento yokuthi why state was not giving the ID.
And then bafake this condition, it must only be used for. Hayi bo, singavula lama-funeral plans esiyiphethe mos.
What about in the interest of justice for the accuser's defense ukuthi fanele athole leso statement? In the interest of justice.
Siphamandla. You are on to mandla aphiweyo lapho wena Khadidi. Queen Sarah uthi, hey beautiful ladies, I wish Rata can watch my Senzo videos and do the right thing. The poor woman wants justice for her son Batong. I'm so touched by this poor woman. Shame man. Good day ladies. Why are we listening to other people's affidavits? Kwenzekalani? Ubuza abantu abarongo. Buza uGININDA noba Loisis. Uchabalala, the cleaning ruined the state's case. It was intentional. UNicoliti uthi uGININDA nguye owenza le bank statement. Umgomezulu uzobathola ngoba akuhlangani. Umahlatsi and bank card slip can show Gauteng while you are at Limpopo. Pretty, this case is causing us trust issues. Ubongekile uyayazi imfitshi esiyilaleliswa ubalo imaye embudane. What is they're trying to hammer that Sibiya lied about being in Joburg in 2014 as proof that he was involved in this crime. Who can remember their whereabouts in 2014? Noni and Kwazi, do you recall? I don't.
All I know is that I was working for Standard Bank, because ngaqala ukusebenza khona ngo-May of 2014. So all I know is that I was working for Standard Bank. If I was working on that particular day, I wouldn't know. But
sure, I was somewhere here in the Western Cape. God, I don't know. Ngangisenzani ngo 2014. Banks King, hi Noni, hi Kwazi, John Mukhet, hi ladies. We don't need a passport between KZN and GP. The distance is just 600 kilometers. Withdrawing money is not a crime.
Excuse me.
Nicole, I'll sound very stupid right now, but guys, can't Senzo family open a case for okay? Icase ivuliwe. Bazothi bavule yantoni bona? Destroyers Football Club, yes, and I can even assist you with a baseball stick while you rock your golf stick. Lempandla yakhe izobhala. Yazi ngimdinga ngayo wena. Lerato, where is your statement and your record and your investigation? Where is your work as a leading investigator? Ayikho into abayi-investigator lo bhuti. Clear. Ayikho. UCK, what about saying Nongoma and Mahlabatin is the same? Hayi yabona leyo ke KZN, ndingwase-Eastern Cape, even me, I know it's separate towns. Ukuthi uNongoma nangu, iMahlabathini nangu, kune-Richards Bay, kuneNkandla, those are different places. Hayi, uFrance, hi guys, you must check Baloyi's eyes when GININDA goes out of line. He tries to cut.
Yeah, vele. He does.
Akwande.
Sukhuluma kakhulu wena.
Akwande, because umashini uGININDA kwazi yi-radio nje. Once you he doesn't stop.
Ingakho ngithe with him with Ubaloyi making him read other people's statements, he's trying to control him. He's trying to limit what he can say because as far as the state is concerned, this is their case. So uGININDA uzosuke athi angasakwazi ukubuya athi mase cross examination. That's the problem.
Shukuthi badome mos kunokuthi besicabanga yazi, because if le ndlela mina nawe besiyi-understand ngayo uGININDA suppose have done whatever, ngebe kude ngoku with the case. Ngeseyiqalile ne-cross examination. Because bezofika atsho for I choose number 1, this is what I did, blah 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 blah, and these are my findings, blah 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 blah. I choose number 2, findings, blah 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 blah.
And then with regards to the other people that are involved, it would just be a matter of, and then because I had found this, the cell phone by Ama205, this is how they match. And then I found this, and then the bank records are in line with what I found. So this is why I concluded this. And then kanjalo kanjalo.
Are you rocket science, lento? It can't be. It's not rocket science. It needed a summary of it all. How? Hi, maybe sit along. Ubaloyi has ruined his career by trying to help his Banele. Uchabalala, it's Sandy's dog that's flying in and out of Gauteng. I'm mad. Umpasi Moroka, yo Katlaka Boreha. Does Moses' bank transaction prove his presence at the scene? Because for some reason there is nothing on the transactions about the 26th of October 2014 or the 25th or the 27th.
Exactly my point.
Home language. I love it though. I love it. Upolina, sanibonani bomakoti bami. What a bedtime story in Rata's court. Like sonke nje besilala sivuka namhlanje. Ubaba lwahibana lapho ujudge udikwe zezinamba shem. Maruma nevuka athi ubhalani? What is he writing, guys?
And it's irrelevant. And he's the one that used to say, but was it on the day of the incident? Manje, he doesn't even ask. Nonsense. Hey.
Hi. Hello, Nati. Hi, how are you? Umpumelelo. Iyanyanyisa lento yenzeke court. Iqeda nini lenja eHokininda. Upatronela Spaza House is not Spaza House. It is an ATM house. You would swear ukuthi if uSenzo akashonelanga emateksini or police station or kuma ATM, sizova nje. Ikhona into the way abayenza ngakhona. Henry, the Meyiwas said they received a call from Tumelo, but where are his 205? Angeke basnike. Uazania, kwazi when you start not being here. Hi, girls.
I will address that towards the end, guys.
Umamsi, but guys, I think the reason Baloyi don't wanna give Mgo the bank card is because the oh no, it's not the bank card, it's the ID book, because he's scared that Mgo is gonna get the real statement. Very high chances of that. Uchabalala says this statement is an Excel. Ulerenzo Kona Ote, they are still coming to the deposit. Njani, ayihambi kanjani into yebank kaloku statement. Iba yi-deposit kube yi-withdrawal kube zii-charges in between. What you mean ukuthi kusaziwa kumade? Hayi. Who's that stupid? No, Genite kuye, you are exposing yourself. Shh, you are exposed. Delete le comment, you are exposing nishilo. There's no way, Kaluksa. Guys, 417 people, only 243 likes. Come on now. Come on.
I'm
Ubabala,
judging
thanks,
y'all. I'm
Noni.
judging y'all.
Ubabala, thanks, Noni, ngomthandazo this morning. Pants da fresh after that. Okay, thank you. Unaleti Tumelo called me. You was that long or short sense by mistake.
That's the
Uvile
same statement. That's the same statement that has been missing in the docket that just reappeared last week or 2 weeks
all of a
ago.
Sunday. All of a Sunday. And the Ubumzulu
Anguzwa uyakhatha. Ethini.
uthi zaphuma indaba zokuthi Senzo passed away. After that, the following day, which is the 27th now, she got a call from Zandile Kumalo. Uzandile Kumalo says, Mama Joy, your boy has passed, he's gone. Bekune accident. Uthi yena, so she was thinking maybe they were fighting nabo Kelly or something, because she does not go further than that. Uthi mara yena, she ended up thinking maybe bekuna fight ethizeni, then ba end up abedubulana. Manje uZandile mabezohamba besenza isinombo sokwazi ukuthi bekuna intruder. Why would you call people and say there was an accident mara bekune intruder?
Hey.
It will never, guys. That's where all of us in South Africa who want to use their brain, we get stuck, because okay, they were intruders. Iklinelwe crime scene. Why nithi ebantwini bafonele bokuqala? Why are you saying to them there was an accident? Those two things.
I think ibafona before amaphoyisa bathayimise. That's the problem.
Hayi ke. Uya legend yo, I saw Baloyi bowing like a black child. No, guys. Ulerato, he does not even talk about how IQs are linked to Kelly. The money they saw on the photos, did they trace the money? Did they trace the call phone of Kelly that was lost? Oh, Bacon, hello. Tembelani, hi. Oliver. What does the cost have to do with money withdrawals? I don't know, Unat. Bosisi, kusazophenywa ibheshu ngale ndaba ye-ID. You will see things, son. Untombi kayise, what exactly GININDA investigated about this case? Dilosti umnashem. Silosti sonke. Nicole, on your work wena sigebengu kwazi. Wenzeni ukwazi? Usonwabo Bomvana. Hey team, sesithembe nina guys. Nathi asisazithembi yazi because silost. Henry. Oh, Oliver Mkongi Ngengele Ibe, not to go, please, or must we quickly draw money for
Nyashlupa, guys. Yes, nyashlupa.
Yes, I had to read it kaningi in my brain.
Yes, team.
Oh, God, why is he changing his names?
Angimazi ubalekela
From
ba.
his real name to this, like he's been changing this name, look.
Kaizini, you're not liking the live. Come on now. 430, close to 500 people, but only 274 likes. No, guys.
Come on.
Zona, hey?
Henry, I won't believe this bullish in court. Where is Dumelo's section 205? Virginia. Hi, ladies. I'm happy that Senzo's mom said she was not happy about the court proceedings. I'm happy. I'm happy because for me, Kwazi, I wish kungabakho i-opportunity umama kaSenzo a-interviewe naye. Kubekho umuntu ombuza relevant questions. Uchiko uthi wena naye ningaba nje. Uchiko
Yeah,
uthi
to debunk your uncle nonsense yokuthi she's happy with the progress that's going on. She's happy that these are the right people. Baqamba amanga besukela umuntu omdala.
how
Beqamba amanga besukela umuntu omdala.
she, because she asked the same question esisibuzayo, iklinelweni i-crime scene. Why ukumele bafonele wabatshela the thing that he told them?
And why would Senzo's family lie? That's the thing. Senzo's family is his family. They want to know the truth. Why would they lie and say Utumelo called us and told us this if that's not what happened? And then they want the family to believe kwangenama intrude.
And
Usuzwe kahle ukuthi umuntu.
that thing wena kwazi yaphuma same time.
Hmm.
Akusiyonto efika izolo. Virginia, okay. Okay. So Kosinayi, hi family. I really don't understand what's going on in that courtroom. Are we not supposed to listen to GININDA's evidence instead of repeating? Wow! Hi, Sonke Siafan. Cassandra, whose phone number is that being put on record? Kanti it's confusing. Hey, maningi lama phone number. Ulerato Sobalo wants us to believe that the statement while he was on a position of an ID of accused number one. Uxoli, they transferred Zungu in Cape Town with no promotion. Ubaleki into zakhe. Olive, yes, I keep ANC government, the NPA to rule this country. Watch the space next year, 2025 municipal elections. Alma, they have no report of the crime scene. Umaru Pink didn't Danzi laugh at G when he was talking about the quad. But yo, imbonile. Yo, udanzi bayathanda ukuzihlaza ukuthi isingesi bayasizwa because bangenatoli bahleka.
Basizwa kahle isingisi.
Hayi, uThomas, afternoon. Oh, Archie, bold Mpahlele. My question is, where is Tumelo's phone? Which phone Meyiwa family that Senzo was shot by mistake? When do you still have the same phone you got 2014, Archie? Or you are asking
But
for a section
205
205?
akhona, 205 akhona.
Section 205 ikhona. Thomas, afternoon ladies, did you see Danzi and the guys laughing at GININDA when he mentioned Mahlabatin and Nongom? I saw them. Unathi kwamele uMandisa avule icala against uZanti for kwazi. Okay, sizobuyela kule point. Ithani sifunde lama comment finish and then sibuyele kule point yakho wena. Azania, Mr. G cannot read because of guilty conscience. Hello, Siba service. And actually, what GININDA is doing is showing that state has no case against all the accused. Uachi, why Mapiri cleaned the blood if it was intruders? Mapiri must come and testify. Mama, as Senzo's mom said. Oliver, let the defense ask fresh bank statements from bank officials, hence his ID was withheld. Ntombi guys, I remember when Baloy asked GININDA if there's nothing you want to add to tell us, then GININDA responded by saying, no, I'd rather be led by the state. Not Mrs. M insulting advocate Mnisi. Usicelo, hi Stelo, hello Shelly, Utigeledri. The GININDA story of reading a novel is really boring and wasting time. Ulavini, what happened? Usibang, was Nongoma, Richards Bay, and Nongoma are two different towns. Francie, he even goes far by stopping the state by saying, let me go back where they passed. That shows the conflict of interest. At this point, Sani, Henry, a white judge, would have asked for Tumelo in is so far is his section 205. Utemsi, hello guys. Wait, did I miss the part where they said they are only reading transaction going out, no charges, no money in, just money out? No, you missed nothing. Maruping, on the other hand, he brought another word to corroborate. John, Auskwazi and Ausnoni, I worked with cell phones from early days and I stayed with in Sprayed View. Muleleki cell tower can give cell phones in Sprayed View. and west of Foslora Signal. Okay. Okay. David, Baloyi and Gininda are not baloying. uLawrence Mandisaka avule icala for Lozandi ngokum-ayityuza ngokuthengela uSenzo izinkabi. uDikeleti, the defense must demand isection 205 of who's that?
I think it's Tumelo. It should be autocorrect. I don't know.
Okay. They must really fight now. Hey, I'm late indeed, Zanele. Oliver, then them eyes no Nimkongo wam will rock when we go to bed. Honestina yazlo. Henry, how can the house be cleaned for criminals? Umbuzo
Good
kamama
question.
kaSenzo. Uzanele ubalo Nkinda confusing the record. True. Does the accused not give consent to get their bank statement? They are supposed to. Uzanele, yes, I heard that interview. Kaya, even Senzo's mom does not believe on this case. Umaruping accident, Nohal, Unati. Why can't you guys apply at newsroom? Because hey, Nen's 100% better than. But kaloku bazosilawula, that's why sirayithi lana. Once you go to newsroom, I don't think Ulinda, if angale channel yakhe, will do the same thing. He will be like us. Anyone, it's just that by the contract that they must follow. Mawukwi channel yakho wenza whatever you like. Yabo. Darlington, bank statement with no will not bring Muzi to the crime scene. Oliver, let Gininda bring Nongoma docket habits this nonsense. John, I know Kwazi won't know this. Motorola and Ericsson used to show towers. So 072 might not left the spaza.
Why ucabanga ukuthi mina iMotorola ngiyazi? Ngoba ngangiphatha iMotorola iZba le fliphayo pink. Cela ungeke please ne.
Leyo yayipinki.
Yayipink le fliphayo iMotorola. Please, you cannot.
Please nje. Unopasika, my question is how Abo Baloyi feeling today at work, knowing that Meyiwa family is not pleased at all with what is happening in Pretoria High Court. Umduduzi, Lundi being capital, he knows nothing about KZN. Uzanele ndivele ndahleka xa ethi uGininda ethi emahlabathini nenengoma indawo enye also ntanzi hle. Urivak, do you know why Baloyi said the ID was to be used for NSFAS only, not any other thing? Is because they know that the family can get the bank statement and will reveal that they edited Muzi's bank statement. Umavo, why uGininda athathe i-evidence kaZungu kodwa he failed ukuthatha ika-brother-in-law kaSenzo. uNtombi kayise ontanzi English bayifunde ecourt. Hey, siyathethwa isingesi phaya namhlanje sazi nohogwash. Actually, it's very highly possible ukuthi they learned because by court every day. And if you keep hearing the same words, you will end up knowing even the meaning, especially if bezikhe interpreter. Because they are smart people. They are very smart. Umpumelelo, labantu basupporta istate abananembeza kahle kahle. Uma kaSenzo sekhale kanje, uSimpiwe, why not calling Kelly? Uyisuspect kaloku, uyi-mastermind. Ulandelwa Zandi leave Mandisa alone utsho ngoba ngumqhagi nje. Eyazi umqhagi?
Yini umqhagi?
Lithi liqhude nina.
Oh. Ile hairstyle. Ile hairstyle.
Nkosi yami. But guys, ubrother kaSenzo akho nto angayaziyo tu ngeli tyala. Uyayichaza nje kakuhle and uyatsho uba uphethe yonke i-evidence. I'm in need of Zungu section 205 uzanele imvula. We need Kelly Kumalelongwe to be eyewitnesses to the court. Usiphamandla umuntu wami ubambile sizothola umntwana aze abe mdala angaphelile ingekapheli le case. Congratulations, Pa. Usithokozile. Hi Kwezi, hi Noni, Lydia. Section 205 kaZungu siyayidinga. Black boy, I'm from Richards Bay. Nongoma is another place, not even near Richards Bay, like 3 hours. Imahlabathini yona, guys, how far is it kwaNongoma? uSithokozile, mina I'm tired of Baloyi and Uncle Fingers really. Imvula stated no case. They are forcing to arrest the accused. Ubaba Zandi why ejongela phansi abo accused ngathi yena unemali. Uzanele ngendlela ubaloyi esebesozela ngayo nyani nyani today. Imvula I wish defense can call uKelly Khumalo Ndongwe. Uzanele umama kaZandi akananimba guys noba wow into endiyikhalile xa ndimamele umama kaSenzo ekhala. Nkosi yami uLydia, I wonder Uzandi is even aware that the state is saying her sister is a suspect. No, uyabona ke kwazi wasithethe ngendaba kaZandi. Hayi, akunamntu phayana. Now wakhe wazwa makuthiwa wakhe wajwela nomfana kwazi ne mawubona izinto izishishi zakhe ufuna ukohlukana naye akuthembisa izulu nomhlaba ukuchecka ukuthi uright la uthe wakujonga ukuthi ingqondo nayo na makabona ukuthi nengqondo it's either he's gonna dump you first because you are too much for him because wena ula or he's gonna if uyakubona udom uzogcina for ukuba dom. I think yena she's one of those angeke. She's one of those girls that guys
esethi uMandisi ubhadala i-defense. Uyabona mesethi uMandisi ubhadala i-defense, that's where I was like, hayi angisazi
kanti umamele yiphi case yena kukhulunywa ngo-legal aid the whole
sinesistress se-legal aid esingafuna ukubhadala uDave yena ukhala ngumandisi obhadala. Hayibo, hayi cha bandla uZandi mina hayi ungiqeda uthando shem. Like I was just like, this girl is stupid. She's stupid.
She's clean. The makeup is on point. Everything. I'm like, can you be beautiful like this and still be a dumb cop?
I was just defeated. Yeah, but at that point, I was just like, I shut the cameras. Akuvalwa ama-mic, akakhishwa i-mic, ayikho lento. uMandisi ubhadala i-defense, they must follow the money. What money? What money?
What money? Yazo oZandi bazo yi-application yokuzibophisa nje lena. How? I was like,
Hi, what's in there? Makhuma, what's more? eMahlabathini and KwaNongoma are very far apart. MPU Mpumalanga owakuphi lo GININDA chofozana impumulo zabo. Ayibo uJudge Fakazile eshidate wrong. Tebzi said Makhumalo, being the only one who never left the scene, never ran to no room, but not being called could never make sense to me. Makhumalo should be the head witness. Egamshololo hlale ese airports, beauty with no brains. Mahlabathini is Ulundi, about 45 minutes drive to KwaNongoma. Lindiwe says, Ati follow the man, yayibo Zandi, the IO. He had problem kaMakakheli yenziwa ukusindwa yimfihlo. Le yokuthi ulonge wadubula usenza. Oh guys, yazini. Okay, so yeah guys, abanye benu, they watched my video yesterday and I spoke about not being able to go live. Guys, yes, I'm not going to be able to do my live in the afternoons. Not forever, guys. Like, it's not a forever thing. Sampe, once a week, I might be able to do them, but I'm pressed for time with other things. So, yeah, I won't be doing those lives. Nizigota ngizonitshela more ukuthi on one day ngiba free. Then I'll still do the lives with Unoni on my channel and her channel. Njenganamhlanje, I was free, but tomorrow ngizobe ngingekho free, so ngizobe ngingekho. But the next time I come, so basically channel kaNoni together. So yeah. Abanye benu bebengifisha indaba bethe bo indaba nisazwani yini. No guys, it's not that deep.
Wow, guys, nifike kanjani lapho?
But did you guys have a fight? No,
about
guys,
what?
It's not that deep. Get to know it's not that deep, guys. Me and Noni are cool. I just don't have as much time as I've been having all along because I've got my engagements at Tease that require iskatsami. So
and vele kwazi nami the moment I get engagements angizukwazi ukuba live. Yeah, but
So
so
yeah, it will be into ya once a week. Mhlambe I'll be able to come, or maybe even twice a week if possible. But I'm still gonna be able to watch proceedings. Lento engenzayo ayenzi singakwazi ukubuka. It just doesn't allow me to sit kanje for an hour and be able to engage. So yeah, that's the issue that I'm having.
no problem. No problem. Let's read the last comments and then do our goodbyes. Ubani ofikayo? When I heard Uzandi say that, I then realized that beauty and brains don't always come in one package. No, like
Like
I think. Do you remember the way he got so angry when Umshololo imbuzi ukuthi unayo imatric?
umatric. Ngikhumbula kahle.
And the way le ndaba kametric eyamtraumatize ngakhona, this is the only advocate angayikhohlwa yasecourt ngumshololo. Akamkhohlwa.
Yebo.
Akamkhohlwa. Ulinde kuhle uZandi, I'm sure usebenzelwa u-FBI. Hayi ba umvillain name drop uGININDA ukuthi I spoke to the brigadier. Ngathi
Yebo.
akayijonge le ndaba kaMandisa, angazi yaphelela kuphi. Ngathi he bana, hayi kwazi uyithanda
Taxi
njani this
violence.
uyithanda njani this
Ekhuluma
part?
ini?
Awuyithanda njani this part athi makabuza since uKelly Khumalo ezoboshwa. Uthi bangalinge.
Hey, the confidence. Athi uzobe boshelwana. Arrested for what?
Uthi bangayi
Hey.
lapho. Bangalinge. Someone said when I was talking about it, I don't know which live was that. Someone said no. Those are words of someone who's saying baqala nje lapho siyacula.
Yo.
Siyacula bangalinge. Uthi angiyicabanga nokuyicabanga into yokuboshwa. It's not even in
I
my
think it's
brain.
the reassurance that they've been given. Yokuthi nje nina khululekani. uKelly sizama ukumfaka under the bus, but nothing will come out of it because siyazi thina so.
Hayi Nkosi yami. Ulinde kuhle. Oh, ulonto. Umpilele. Hello mzala unjani? Sanibona niba mzala, ngicela kwazi ukuthi interview kaZandi ibikuyiphi i-channel ngifuna ukuyibuka bo please. Ayivumi ukuthi siyishare. Ukwazile uyi-download?
Ngingenile nje kuleya link ongisendele yona. It's on ENCA.
Uh,
It
Mara
was a live on
mawuyisearch
ENCA.
awuyiboni.
Yeah, Nami, I tried to search it on ENCA YouTube channel. Nothing.
You can't find it. Mzala if benginenamba yakho bengizokusendela ke askisi. Oh, imvula amanga awahlangani inhlobo ngekhe. I watched it this morning kwaZibhe Azania xa sithetha inyani state asina case apha tuzange sanayo. Usibusiso Nsibanda, hi sisters, Lundi and Mahlabathini close to each other ladies, but it's not the same place. Egna uthi okay dear, all the best on what you'll be doing. Thank you Zanele. Cooking it always goes west. Petronella, that is why the husband take another wife. Sandy, wake up and smell the coffee. Ladies, GININDA the corrupt Englishman. Ulindiwe, thank you my ladies. Uzonke banamanga labo bantu. Hayi kubi. Uzanele isikolo sinendawo yaso guys. Uphilani Nongoma is an hour away from Mahlabathini. Umzecaha, cooking gone wrong. Wazania uzoba khona ku Ghost Lady all the time. Uzoba khona.
I won't. I will also address that later on.
Yaqala inkinga.
Sisazoyi-addressa leyo soyikhuluma later. Ikhaya elikhulu, guys.
I am waiting for cross-examination. The judge and Baloy will be popping like popcorns in a pot that is not closed. Homodupi. I'm telling you guys, Rata is going to convict these 5 IQs. We know that. Nothing new there. Umzi, why do you think they took this case to Pitori? Well, uZanele Ntabiseng zange abone uZandi eya kubo guys, kubi uZandi dom uEcho mama kaKhela akafuna abantwana bakhe baboshwe but what about umama kaSenzo Nkosi yami ubabalwa they must remember uJack selebe wanele nomkhulu uzanele usebe bribed in sebebribe i-NCA. Umpileni awuyazi ke ngibhekile ayikho. Umpileni akunankinga ke. Alright. Lorenzo, after Mgo got sick, she just popped out singing Messiah ku-TikTok with a happy face. Bacinga uMessiah ngowabo beyi-1 bona kulaa family. Usarah, siyabonga ladies, uchabalala the similarities of the removal Granger case, Granger case, and this case is shocking. France, please send the interview of Mama Senzo. Okay, guys, thank you so much.
Thank you so much for joining, guys. Thank you for engaging. Those that have liked the live, thank you so much. And the other 90 something people that have not liked, I'm judging you. I'm judging you. Izobonana next time. Not sure when that will be. But Iyobonana, and then abanye sobonana with Ghost Nation later on.
Thank you, Kwasi. See you.
All right, Mami.
Bye.